sikhuluma nge-honor mfethu. Ama-Sunrisers namhlanje kothi nje kuphela ishow mfethu azobe buka i-honor ngenye indlela. Abantu abaningi mfethu bazobe be-impacted greatly. We thank God for that.
Yes.
Mfethu i-honor mfethu iya endaweni enkulu kakhulu i-honor mfethu. Ngicela nje ukukhuluma ngayo mfethu i-honor. I think first time ngiba ne-encounter enkulu nge-honor. Kakade ngisayi-student kwenye indawo mfethu. Sasi-attende i-conference e-Winterton. Khona indawo kuthiwa ise-Winterton. Kuyalenga koMoy River. Laphana mfethu kwakukhona ama-speakers awu-2 kuleyo conference yasesontweni. Eyodwa mfethu yalama-speakers i-billionaire iphuma eCape Town. And enye mfethu nje yayi-manager yabo. And kuthe makuphela i-conference mfethu, wonke umuntu mfethu wagijima mfethu efuna ukuyokhuluma ne-billionaire, efuna ukuyolixhawula and stuff. And I was tempted nami ukuya khona, but ngithe ngisathi ngisaya kuleli billionaire nami ngifuna ukuyokhuluma nalo. Yabo, back in the day before abo social media and all that, we were not even gonna take photos.
Yeah.
Mangifika lapha ngisathi ngiyakhona ngabona this guy bekade enze presentation naye mfethu. Mangithi ngiyambuka uyedwa mfethu etafuleni lakhe, upheke i-laptop mfethu, akukho umuntu okhuluma naye. Kwakhona into kumina ethi indoda ngcono uyokhuluma nale yansizwa ngoba phela yes ngaya kuyena ngempela nami mfethu nje ngafike ngambingelela ngayi-introducer ngifundani yabo. The guy was like, wow, you know, waba-taken mfethu ngalento yami. Ngaze ngamtshena nokuthi ngifisa ukwenzani. Wathi hayibo serious, sa-exchange ama-numbers mfethu. Up to this day, that guy mfethu has played a major role namanje usawumuntu engikwazi ukukhuluma naye ngezinto ze-career. Why ngisho leyo nto mfethu? At times khona abantu uNkulunkulu azobasebenzisa mfethu azobabukela phansi ungabanaki ujahe abanye abantu, but i-honor mfethu, i-honor ekwazi ukwenza mfethu ukwazi ukubona mfethu abantu, because without i-honor sibona ama-titles, sibona abantu mfethu ama-positions abo, but mase sifocusa kwi-honor, i-honor mfethu iyakwazi ukuthi senze sikwazi ukubona abantu. Ilonto engifuna ukuyusha namhlanje ukuthi see people before ubona ama-titles, before ubona iy'khundla zabantu, ubuka abantu. Had I not spoken to that guy mfethu, I was gonna miss this opportunity mfethu esing-impacte greatly kanjena. I-honor ikwazi ukwenza ubone wonke umuntu, umbone ewumuntu ofanele mfethu. Ngenze esinye isibonelo mfethu, ngeke ngasebenza outside, bengibuye nginokuphuma ngiyosebenza kwamanye amazwe la e-Africa. Elinye lezwe nginokusebenza kulise Kenya mfethu yabo. Lento e-honor ngayibona mfethu. There were times I will speak to some of the guys mfethu shama deals nabo. Uthi mfethu nizokhuluma nomuntu senithi niyayiqeda niyayiconclude i-deal kuvesana kungena umphathi wakho mfethu kuleyo room noma kuleyo meeting. Asukume mfethu umuntu akufulathele afocus kumphathi wakho. All of a sudden you don't exist. Yabo lento le. I-honor mfethu ikwazi ukwenza mfethu ukuthi umuntu umbone ukuthi ukhona uya-exista. These people they bengifulathele mfethu bafocus kumphathi wami, and then umphathi wami baqale phansi mfethu ba-explain something that they had already explained to me. Ngoba kubo ngazothi abangithembi sekufika umphathi wami manje kufanele bafocuse kuyena, and then bakhulume naye mfethu. Mabeqeda ebesethi umphathi ayithulana ngikuthembileke vese this is your responsibility. Awuconclude le deal nalabantu. Abe embarrassed umuntu sekufanele aphendule isihlalo afocuse kumina again. And some of those people because of i-attitude kanjalo begcine kungahambeki isikhathi eside, because i-honor mfethu ikwazi mfethu ukwenza abantu mfethu ukwazi ukubabona ukuthi they exist, ubahloniphe kuma-levels abakubo. Kodwa uma ungenayo i-honor uyafuna ukubajomba abantu usheshe uyokhuluma nabanye abantu. Khona umuntu ongilalela njengamanje ushawa i-honor mfethu emsebenzini, umphathi wakho umbona engelutho, ufisa ngathi ungakhuluma nabaphathi bakhe. Why? It's because of inkinga ye-honor. Uma ungenayo i-honor mfethu ngeke uze uhambe ibanga elide. Ngisalapho mfethu khona abantu mfethu abaxakekayo ukuthi ngafike ngayishaya i-interview nga-Excel, how come ngingabizwanga kule ngingayitholanga iposition? Ngicela ukuyichaza mfethu lento. Into enokwenzeka khona ama-organizations aqhakambisa i-culture. Into enokwenzeka mfethu uthi usuyishayile i-interview e-boardroom be-impressed ngawo, ebese beyahamba buyobuza kwi-receptionist ukuthi hawu kufika insizwa lebuthulane begqoke kanjena nentshebe kanjena. What do you think ngalomjida lona yabo? Ngenkathi suthi wena ushayile i-interview kanti ufike kwi-reception wadelela mfethu, yabo nje wakhuluma izinto oyithandayo, uthe ufika nje wangabingelela wacela abantu ukuthi aba-adjust ama-aircon, yabo nje yabo. Lezo zinto sebephuma kwi-boardroom they are impressed ukuthi ushayile, kodwa manje sebefuna ukuzobuza kulo muntu okwi-reception ukuthi uyayazi culture like what do you think ngalomjida lona? Ebese beyachaza ukuthi yabo ayuthulane uthe mefika laphana wane-attitude. Babuze nasesangweni uthulane uthe ufika wathethisa abantu bamtshena ukuthi akapake la, yena ngoba vese uze kule position eseyitshena ukuthi uzoba umphathi, wadelela bonke abantu, wadelela esangweni wazodelela kwi-reception. Ugcine mfethu ungaqashekanga ngenxa ukuthi i-honor mfethu awunayo before u-apply i-honor wena ubuka abantu okufanele ubahloniphe ubuka isiqu somuntu ubuka i-position kanti i-honor mfethu ithi ngibona umuntu before ngize ngibone mfethu i-position lithi iBhayibheli kuHebrews 13:2 mfethu uthi do not neglect to show the hospitality to strangers for by doing so some people have entertained angels mfethu yayizwe lonto mfethu ukubona abantu ongabazi mfethu ubona umama ongamazi mfethu umhloniphe mfethu kuthiwa ngokwenze njalo sesa entertain ama-angels mfethu yebo lento le what am I saying about the topic namhlanje ngithi mfethu uma ungena etekisini ubona umuntu oshayela itekisi do not see udriver before ubona udriver bona a human being bona umuntu bona indodana yomuntu bona umalume bona ubhuti bona isibling bona ilunga lomphakathi bona ubaba mfethu bona mfethu ilento umkhulu see people before mfethu kulento lena yazi mfethu my last point kulento mfethu khona advert engangithanda kakhulu yelenye ibank mfethu lo mjida wayeshaya interview mfethu kule advert ngenkathi esashaya interview mfethu abe nokuthikamezeka abe nokusensa ukuthi something is happening downstairs from I think second or third floor ebese yabacela during interview athi ngicela uxolo agijime lo mbhema yezantsi ngoba usezwile ukuthi khona umama ozama uqukula isaka lempuphu olifaka emotweni afika amsize mfethu kanti uzothi semsiza mfethu bayabuka abaphathi abakhulu lapha phezulu ukuthi how this guy ushiye interview yosiza umama osindelwayo lapha uthe mebuya back kwi-interview uthi sathi uyaqhubeka bathi abaphathi no siyabonga mfethu usutholile umsebenzi i-honor mfethu Thulani wanna go a long way mfethu ngicela si-apply i-honor bafethu asihlukane nale ndaba ukubuka abantu ngama-positions asibukeni abantu i-honor goes a long way some people are not where they are supposed to be because of kuleka i-honor ufika ne-attitude ubona ama-positions abantu ukuthi lona uyashanela uyakorobha ubathatha kancane i-honor goes a long way may God help us today to apply i-honor God is love.
Hey, Thulani, kumete. Uthini wena kule nkulumo kaThulani today on Monday Motivation on Gagas FM. Ngempela you have a comment or two that you can make on Zola.